A pre-owned 2019 BMW X3 xDrive30i. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable transmission. This BMW has less than 166,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.